decided to try cereal again, and I've not had that for about half a year.
Good idea.
See if I like it. I've got no idea.
That it took place just before 11 on Remembrance Sunday, not too far from a cathedral where
What is it?
1,000 people expected to be taking
What have you got?
part in the memorial
Different
Sunday.
shapes. Yeah, that is.
As they will be looking at, but then
Maybe milk. I put too much milk in it.
Oh yeah, because sometimes it can float. Up to this.
Real living wage is independently calculated, and today we'll rise above minimum wage level. Anthony Nina's here to take us through all the details and some of the numbers involved.
Yeah, it's an expensive day for some businesses, so it puts a little bit of pressure on the government. Good morning. This is about working out what's the minimum amount for people to earn in order to simply live, to pay their bills, and keep their heads above water. Now, the government sets the national living wage. That's the smallest hourly rates employees can legally pay to live in 20.
I love apples, especially
That goes up
red
to
ones.
£9.50 an hour. But there's also what's called the real living wage. Now, it's based on what the local commission